Hello everyone. So we are on the day 7 of the Indistarctable quest. Okay. So today's topic is reimagining the internal triggers. Okay. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, there's gonna be some steps. So we are just gonna discuss about the healthy way to deal with the internal triggers. Okay. So first step is to look for the discomforts before it gets the distracted you. So you just have to have some consciousness and inner thinking about what is distracting me and just focus on that internal trigger and then write down into the notebook or journal or something or to because when you write down the thought get more clearer and you get more clarity in your mind and how it is getting me distracted, so it will be more helpful to you when you write that down, the internal trigger which is distracting you. It is easier to remember how you feel before the behavior, so it is important to write before the behavior when the internal trigger is hitting you, so it is more easier, okay, to feel what is distracting you, and you can identify your internal trigger very quickly also. And some external triggers are more easy to identify than internal ones, because internal triggers can be sometimes tricky and you are not able to observe what is exactly distracting you. External triggers can be easy, called sometimes social media, phone or something, notifications. You can just get the gist of what is distracting you, but in internal it is some part is tricky. You have to explore the emotion sensations that come along with your reaction to the internal trigger. Okay. The thing here you can do is you can use some techniques to deal with the distraction. So first is leaves on stream. Just close your eye and just imagine you are just on a side of a river stream and the leaves are just going flowing through the river stream. So when you're just imagining thing, you will be dealing with the distraction. You are not getting distracted anymore. You have to feel for the 5 minutes or something like that, but you will get slowly in the flow, and just you're just gonna forget the things. Okay, this is a very nice technique. I used it several times. It really works well. You can also use a 10-minute rule technique. In the 10-minute rule technique, you can do when you are getting urge of anything, you are just gonna tell that I'm just gonna do it after 10 minutes. Okay, if you are working on something and you need to get ice cream, just tell yourself that you are gonna get it after 10 minutes, and the 10 minutes are never gonna happen. You're just gonna forget that thing. And same we are gonna do here with be aware be aware with the liminal moments. Okay, you just have some consciousness about how they are the liminal movements. Okay, so other ways to surfing the urge, other way to deal with distraction is surfing the urge. By surfing urge, you mean you are gonna do the thing, but after a certain period of time, like the 10-minute rule. Okay, so after a certain period of time means you are just gonna plan it out and you are doing things, but you are not gonna do cause you are gonna forget, and you are gonna experience once you try it, you're gonna experience. Identifying internal trigger can take away much of its power. Okay, by identifying the internal trigger, the its power is it's less more distracting. Okay, and stay with the feeling before acting on them. Focus on recondition your mind to seek relief from internal trigger in a thought. So these are today's mission. So we are just gonna focus on think of a distraction you frequently deal with. These are some questions you need to answer, and what observation can you make about yourself when you feel these intrigues. Okay, so these are some questionnaires you need to write it down. As I also told earlier, also you have to write it down so you can get clarity. Yeah, guys, that's all for today. Thank you guys for listening. See you tomorrow. Bye.